Principles of Personal, Professional and Business Ethics. Welcome learners to this educational journey exploring the principles of personal, professional and business ethics. This is Dr. Shweta Banerjee, and in this video we will delve into the fascinating world of ethical values and their applications in various spheres. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this insightful adventure together. Understanding the landscape of business ethics. Let's kick off by understanding why ethics holds such significance in the management education today. We will delve into ethical challenges faced by corporations, examining how these challenges have reshaped our perspectives on ethical values. Get ready to explore the societal norms that influence our notions of right and wrong, and how business ethics serves as a compass for navigating interactions with stakeholders. Before we move forward, take a moment to ponder. Can you tell why has the study of ethics become increasingly important in the business world? Consider the impact of ethical failures on various stakeholders. You may pause the video and note down your answers. Welcome back. The study of ethics has gained prominence due to well-known corporate failures that have resulted in harm to stockholders, consumers, employees, and others. These incidents underscore the importance of instilling ethical values in future business leaders, guiding their decisions and action towards responsible conduct. Now, navigating personal ethics. Now, let's shift our focus to personal ethics. We will delve into the principles that individuals hold dear and how these principles translate into everyday actions. From autonomy and honesty to fairness and benevolence, these are the values that shape our personal moral compass. Personal values are the conception of what an individual or a group regard as desirable. Personal ethics refers to the application of these values in everything one does. Personal ethics might also be called morality, since they reflect general expectations of any person in any society, acting in any capacity. These are the principles we try to instill in our children and expect one another without needing to articulate the expectations or formalize it in any way. The principles of personal ethics are: number one, concern and respect for the autonomy of others. Number two, honesty and the willingness to comply with the laws of the land. Number three, fairness and the ability not to take undue advantage of others. Number four, benevolence and preventing harm to any creature. People are motivated to be ethical for the following reasons. Most people want to maintain a clear conscience and would like to act ethically under normal circumstances. It is natural for people to ensure that their actions do not cause any injury, whether physical or mental, to others. People are obliged to obey the laws of the land. Social and material well-being depends on one's ethical behavior in society. Principles of professional ethics. As aspiring professionals, it's crucial to understand the ethical principles guiding our conduct in our respective fields, whether in medicine, law, academia, or business management. Professionalism demands adherence to principles like impartiality, trust, due diligence. Let's explore how these principles play out in real-world scenarios through case study and analysis. The ethical quandary. Meera, a seasoned software developer, faced a tough ethical dilemma at work. Her company was developing a groundbreaking application for data analytics, but Meera discovered it could invade user privacy beyond what was disclosed. The company's leadership prioritized profit over ethics. Meera felt torn between delivering quality work and upholding ethical standards. Speaking up risked her job and strained relationships, while staying silent meant completely in potential misuse. Meera felt torn between delivering quality work and upholding ethical standards. Speaking up risked her job and strained relationships, while staying silent meant complicity in potential misuse. The dilemma worsened with a tight project deadline. Meera debated whether to prioritize career stability or ethical principles, testing her integrity. Ultimately, Meera had to choose between speaking out and facing consequences or remaining silent for career advancement. Her decision would shape her professional identity and the industry's ethical standards. What would you do if you were in Meera's position? What are the potential consequences of either speaking out or remaining silent? You may pause the video and think about this. Zooming out to business ethics. Now let's talk about business ethics. You know how ethics figure us out right from wrong. Well, in the business world, we have got this thing called business ethics. It's like a set of rules that keep businesses in line and doing the right thing. You have got to play fair, be honest, and treat everyone with respect. But why does it matter? Well, for starters, it's what the public expects. Plus, it actually helps businesses thrive. When companies behave ethically, it builds trust, boosts productivity, and keeps things running smoothly. Sure, there are challenges like selfishness, profit pressures, cultural clashes, but businesses, along with governments and organizations, are working to tackle these issues. And while laws are important, ethics go beyond just following rules. It's about doing what's morally right, even when no one's watching. So, what are these core principles of business ethics? Think integrity, trustworthiness, fairness, transparency. You get the drift? It's about being accountable, playing by the rules, and thinking about the long-term impact. Ultimately, businesses that prioritize ethics are more likely to succeed. They build strong relationships, make positive contributions to society, and pave the way for a brighter future. Remember, ethics, it's not just good for business, it's good for everyone. This brings us to the end of this video. In this video, we have explored the principles of personal, professional, and business ethics, uncovering the significance in guiding individual behavior, professional conduct, and organizational practices. Remember, ethics isn't just about knowing what's right or wrong. It's about embodying these values in our actions and decisions, shaping a more ethical and responsible society. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of ethics in business. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep striving to uphold ethical values in all that you do. Thank you.